Welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be taking a quick walk around of this 2021 Hyundai Sonata SEL trim level. SEL trim level is equipped with this 17-inch wheel, and this is powered by a smart stream gasoline direct injection 2.5 liter engine that is paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission, and this produces 191 horsepower and 181 pound-feet of torque. And this is what the back is like. So I really love how these lights are carved right here, and you have this LED light and the Sonata boldly written on the back. There you have your double exhaust. This SEL costs $28,100. This exterior color is called the Calypso Red, and this has black cloth seat interior. And this gets 27 miles to a gallon in the city and 37 miles to a gallon on the highway, which is not bad. And this one comes with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, which is for this price is not bad at all. This is what the key fob of this LCL look like. Let me show you around the interior really quick so that so this is on the interior of this SEL. You get the 8-inch color touchscreen display that is the same with the 2020 model, and you get a 4.2-inch color LCD trip computer, which is called the digital gauge display cluster. So there is difference in the price, and the interior also is very this one different. You get a full panoramic sunroof, which is really nice, especially during summer. It really plays a very important role in enjoying your car. The Limited also have a panoramic sunroof, and the rear seats are similar. You have this beautiful and very comfortable seats here, and on the back you have a vent right there. Yeah, so this one has a leather armrest, but you have cloth seats that's really comfortable. The Limited, you get all leather interior. Yeah, so the interior is different and mostly similar, and you have your seat control there. On this SEL, you get a heated side mirror over here. Yeah, so what do you think about this 2021 SEL Sonata? Please, I want you to leave your comment in the comment section. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe, like this video, so that when I post my future videos, you will be among the first to see my videos.